Viewers, during first quarter in 2022, first time in the history of Pakistan experienced political upheaval when Pakistan Democratic Movement, opposition parties tabled appeal before Speaker National Assembly for vote of the no-confidence motion and started a series political reactions and economic cataclysm against the sitting government, and at the end, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Imran Khan, was removed from the office of PM, and this type of crisis has never ever been occurred in past, which created an disobliging and tense political situation in Pakistan, started to deteriorate economic situation. Although new government hold charge of the PM office and tried to normalize political turmoil and economic instability, this situation become worse when fluxes occurred in fuel prices in international markets and inflation grown to its peak record due to fall in rupee value. The other major factor which affected Pakistan's economy was the flood 2022, as unprecedented enormous damages occurred due to devastating flood 2022 in Pakistan. It was indeed a very terrible flood which hit Pakistan economy badly. During 2022, the monsoon rains saw record highs, receiving over 190% of its normal rainfall in July and August. Flood basins became saturated with water, rivers overflowed, and the natural drainage system was unable to cope with the volume of water. Massive rainfall caused flooding in Pakistan. The deluge caused by the floods badly hit the country's southern provinces, is incomparable to any recent events in terms of the vast spatial and temporal scale. This economic fallout of Pakistan's political crisis further moves on to hike in prices of daily utensil, which hit purchasing power of citizens. Viewer, this political instability resulted in other crises including political conflicts, litigations, unrest and instability in commercial and business community, closures of projects, economic activities and distrust on political system. Frequent changing of leadership has resulted that Pakistan is economically grappled with challenges such as high inflation rates, a weak tax base, a large fiscal deficit, a reliance on external loans, security concerns, and external factor directly knock out economic and development growth. Although previous government made efforts to enhance economic stability through reforms, strengthen democratic institutions, improve governance, and attract foreign investment, however, reasonable success could gain due to absence of long-term planning and a conducive political environment in the country. Viewer, you know that political stability is the key factor, the economic stability, and both are very imperative for attraction of foreign investment, but due to regime change occurred during first half of previous financial year shake badly investors' trust on Pakistan. One of the major reasons for this change was excessive inflation, inadequate hurdled economic growth and other attributed crises including rising of dollar rate, prevailing numerous negative trends, enormous deficit in trade and current account, day-by-day exhausting foreign reserves, excess of foreign loans, deficiency of foreign currency and piercing debt turning to huge obligations, unclear economic policies, uncertain stock market, fret of investors, distrust of IMF, rising of fuel prices, increase in prices of kitchen items, and conflicts and tensions between political parties. Viewer, above narrated situation contributed delay in revival of IMF program which degraded rupee value and dollar scrambled to 300 plus rupees per unit dollar and foreign reserved fall up to US $3.5 billions, which convert alarming situation. By admitting this fact, the former finance minister Hafiz Pasha opined that only way to steer out of this horrible economic crisis is to talk with IMF as soon as possible, otherwise, rupee would depreciate further. This is all for today in this video. Please subscribe this channel as it is dedicated for current affairs topic, education research and Pakistan affairs, specially for students and candidates going to attempt CSS and other competitive exams. Subscribe it and watch more videos being uploaded on the channel. Thank you.